I think that they don't need a base here because we do not want to be part of a conflict again. Pakistan was the biggest collateral damage of Afghanistan. By joining the US, no country paid such a heavy price as us. 80,000 Pakistanis died. Our economy was devastated. $150 billion lost to the economy. It was called the most dangerous place in the world. Cricket teams refused, investors refused to come. Our currency lost half its value by 2008. So 3.5 million people internally displaced. We suffered because of that. And then rather than being appreciation for this, a country which had nothing to do with 9/11, which paid such a heavy price, we were actually scapegoated. Even now in the Senate hearing, they talk about Pakistani safe havens. There were 480 drone attacks. I mean, they see everything. They even spotted vehicles down there. How would they not spot these safe havens? So, I thought we were very unfairly scapegoated for, what was obviously clearly a big failure in Afghanistan.
What role